Own a high-end condominium and an RFO unit in Salcedo Village, Makati City. This is The Ellis. Hi, good morning investors. I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from MegaWorld Corporation. In this video, I'm going to be turning you to the turnover unit for a 2-bedroom with balcony here in the Ellis. But before that, if you want to know more about the amenities, my videos are actually uploaded already in my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. So for today's video, I'm going to be focusing more on the 2-bedroom unit with balcony. So this is a 75 square meter. So watch this whole video to know more. Hi everyone, welcome to the Ellis. So we are here on the 10th floor. I'll be showing with you the 2-bedroom unit on the 10C. So before we enter to the main door, this is the main doorbell. So every unit has its own doorbell. So here, as mentioned, this is actually a wood for your main door. So upon entering, so this is, as mentioned, 2-bedroom unit, 75 square meters. So in this area, this will be the video and audio intercom connected to the main lobby. So before we go proceeding here, this will be the kitchen. So right now, medyo madilim lang siya. So this will be the look for it. So we have here a countertop made out of granites and sink faucet for this area. Overhead and under counter cabinets, which are also soft closing. For 2-bedroom, there will be 4-burner cooktops and range hood upon deliverables. So and we also have here the oven. So dito naman, this can be converted into another bedroom for your maid's room. So hindi ko na mapapakita kasi sobrang dilim niya na. So there will also be allotted a toilet and bath for the maid's room. And then you can convert it also into pantry. So here naman provision for the fridge. So now, let's proceed here. So this area will be for your dining and living area. So this is ceramic tiles. So it's up to you on how you design it. Very big yung area. It actually fit up to 6-seater table. So here naman, this will be the first bedroom. So as you can see, this is a sliding doors. So you can convert it into one bed to another bed. So like this one. Ayan. So di ko na i-maximize yung doors kasi medyo mainit. And now, this will be the room for the first bedroom. On deliverables, we have here the modular cabinet, soft closing then. And here, there will be a balcony for this area. Ayan. So this will be, the view for this area will be Makati CBD. Ayan, so malaki siya. It's up to you. You can put tables and chairs so you can drink coffee or wine. So here naman, we have here the toilet and bath. So all the sanitary fixtures included in this videos are part of the deliverables upon turnover of your unit. So right now, we are here on the main bedroom. So sobrang laki, sobrang lawak. As you can see here, the deliverables for the modular cabinet is 3-door. And then here naman, sobrang laki ng space. You can put tables. And here you can put your bed. So this window is actually almost floor to ceiling. So as you can see, the view is very beautiful since it's Makati CBD. And here naman is a lot of first space. You can actually put another cabinet here. And part of the deliverables here as well is we have here is the toilet and bath for the main bedroom. So all the sanitary fixtures are also included again upon turnover of your unit. So basically this is the main bedroom. So this is the size of it. So for the air conditioner, so we have split type. Partition deliverable, so meron na siya. So you don't have to worry of buying another appliances. All you need is furnitures and additional appliances for you to move in already here sa unit na to. So that is the end of our video. So I was able to show you the unit for the Ellis, a 2-bedroom unit, 75 square meter, and the unit turnover deliverables. So if you want to know more about this project or the project details, please don't hesitate to send me a message. All my details are being flashed on your screen. Once again, I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from MegaWorld Corporation, and I'll be helping you finding your perfect investment in your dream home. See you again in my next video.